Okay, fine. Hi guys, I'm Barry from Meridian Audio. Welcome to ISE 2023. I want to take a moment just to tell you a bit more about our DSP 8000XE. This is our new flagship highest performance loudspeaker that we've ever created. We're super proud of this, and we've got it in a absolutely amazing volcanic red color for the show. You can't really miss it. So this is all new loudspeaker for us. It features our latest technology. We have just under 1.75 kilowatts of total power with this product, designed for the ultimate in 2-channel listening, and also be used in theatre systems. So at our factory in Huntingdon, we have 3 of these behind our projection scene in the factory, and that's our LCRs. Everyone's always after the technical specifications, so headline figures, the minus 3 dB point is 18 Hertz, which is tremendous low frequency performance, but with our signature speed and clarity. So when you're playing down at those low frequencies, you get that real texture of bass and that speed of bass. With our full frequency alignment technology, the bass energy leaves the speaker at the same time as the mid and the tweeter. Speaking of the mid and the tweeter, we've got a new high-power Evo mid-range driver designed specifically for us, and our new Beryllium ultrasonic tweeter, which gives us a really wide dispersion characteristic, which really gives us a much bigger sweet spot. Each of the 6 force-balanced 8-inch woofers have a 240-watt Class D amplifier built into it. That's on the rear of the speaker. You can see the heatsink. Whilst the mid and the tweeter have our Class AB design 150-watt amplifier. So we have lots of control, lots of clarity, lots of detail. On the back of the speaker, we've really listened to you guys, and we've added what you've asked for. So you can connect in RCA, an XLR analog, coax, optical, USB, Bluetooth, and SpeakerLink. So these speakers can be plugged into anything that you're after. Super high efficiency from the Class Ds, so the heatsink's significantly smaller than our previous models, while still having that thermal efficiency. These are shipping now. They're available black gloss piano finish as standard, or any of the custom finishes. You can find out more about this speaker on our website, which is meridianaudio.com. Thanks a lot. See you soon. Bye.